Hold on to your seats, folks, because Tesla's stock is on a wild ride south, and right now, it's anybody's guess where it'll bottom out. This ain't no ordinary dip, people. We're talking about a full-blown plunge that's got even the most seasoned investors sweating bullets. The big question on everyone's mind is, can Tesla bounce back, or is this the beginning of the end for the electric vehicle giant? To figure this out, we've got to look at the big picture. We'll dive deep into the factors driving this decline, map out those critical support levels, and analyze the latest news coming out of Tesla HQ. Because let me tell you, this is one roller coaster you don't want to miss. We're talking about serious money here, folks, and the stakes couldn't be higher, so buckle up because we're about to break down Tesla's terrifying tumble and explore whether this iconic company can regain its footing. Listen up, because understanding Tesla's downward spiral means confronting the four major factors dragging it down. We're talking about a perfect storm of bad news, folks. First, we've got the overall market downturn, hitting growth stocks like Tesla particularly hard. It's a bloodbath out there, and Tesla's not immune. Second, Elon Musk's political controversies are making waves and not the good kind. His behavior is raising eyebrows and spooking some investors. Then there's the growing concern about EV demand. Is it slowing down? Are people getting cold feet about electric cars? Finally, the technical analysis doesn't lie. Tesla's charts are flashing red, indicating a potential further decline. We've got to connect these dots, folks, to understand the magnitude of Tesla's troubles. We're talking about a confluence of negative forces putting immense pressure on Tesla. Ignoring these factors is like driving with blinders on. We need to dissect each one to fully grasp the depth of Tesla's current predicament. Let's talk about Elon Musk, the maverick CEO of Tesla. There's no denying his genius, but lately, his outspoken political views have been rubbing some investors the wrong way. Some folks believe his actions are hurting Tesla's brand image and making people think twice about investing. Musk's Twitter antics, his controversial statements, they're creating a stir and not the positive kind. Investors like stability, folks, and Musk's unpredictable behavior might be scaring some away. It's a risk some just aren't willing to take. The electric vehicle market is booming, right? Well, hold on a second, there are whispers, folks, whispers that EV demand might be slowing down. And if that's true, Tesla, as the biggest player in the game, is going to feel the heat. Now, some might say this is just a blip, a temporary lull, but others see it as a sign that the EV hype is starting to fade. Competition is heating up, with traditional automakers finally taking electric vehicles seriously. Can Tesla maintain its dominance in this crowded market? That's the million-dollar question, folks. If demand truly is waning, Tesla could be in for a bumpy ride. They've got to prove they can stay ahead of the curve and keep those sales figures up. Now, let's talk charts, folks, because the technicals don't lie. When we look at Tesla's stock chart, it's not a pretty picture. We're seeing a classic breakdown, with key support levels crumbling like a stale cookie. The $300 mark, which many thought would hold strong, got absolutely obliterated. Then there's the $278 level, a previous stronghold for Tesla bulls. If that breaks down, it could trigger a fresh wave of selling. And if things really go south, we've got our eyes on the $264 mark. A drop below that, and we're talking about uncharted territory, folks. Technical analysis paints a bleak picture for Tesla in the short term. Those support levels represent crucial battle lines. If the bulls can't defend them, we could see further significant declines. Now, it's not all doom and gloom. Tesla's been busy making moves to boost investor confidence. They've just announced the launch of their full self-driving software in China, a huge market with massive growth potential, and that's not all. They've also given their popular Model Y a much-needed refresh, hoping to reignite excitement and boost sales. The question is, are these positive developments enough to offset all the negative headwinds Tesla's facing? One thing's for sure, folks. Tesla's stock is as volatile as ever, and predicting its next move is like trying to catch lightning in a bottle. It's a battle between the bulls and the bears, and right now, the bears are winning. Sentiment is shifting, and fear is starting to creep in. Investors are getting skittish, and that can create a self-fulfilling prophecy. If enough people hit the sell button, it could trigger a further downward spiral. But hey, this is Tesla we're talking about. They've defied expectations before, and they just might do it again. The key will be restoring investor confidence, proving that the EV demand is still strong, and of course, Elon Musk keeping those Twitter fingers in check. So, what's the verdict? Is Tesla a buy, a sell, or a hold? Well, folks, that's the million-dollar question, and unfortunately, I don't have a crystal ball. But here's the bottom line. Tesla's facing some serious challenges, and how they navigate these next few months will be crucial. Keep a close eye on those support levels, folks. If they crumble, buckle up, because it could be a bumpy ride down. But if Tesla can deliver some positive surprises, regain investor trust, and show that the EV revolution is still on track, they might just be able to turn this ship around. What do you think, viewers? Is Tesla doomed, or are they about to shock the world again? Call in and tell me what you think.